Okay, let's just expand this just a little bit. There's no way to do this. We've got x over x minus 8. Okay? It's 2x times x minus 8. The only thing we can do down here to break this down as much as possible is make this x over 2 times x minus 4, right? Now, is there anything up here that matches anything down here? This is completely factored, right? Okay? So you don't have an x out here that you can separate out. Put x over x, right?
Okay.
So you can't get rid of that x. If you could, you'd have to have that 1 there. Okay? And writing it out in this form shows you why, rather than having to memorize 4 or 5 rules that you're likely to forget that support the idea of cancellation. Okay? So this is just one simple criterion. If you can't do this, you can't cross it out. And if you can do this, you don't need to cross anything out. Now, the one thing I would tolerate crossing out, as long as you don't cross out like this, is you got x over x. You want to put a line through that, you can. I don't encourage it, but I would tolerate it. Okay? And again, it's simply because I honestly, in the first place, this works. If you can learn to do this, it works and it gets you to the right result. And my experience is this is easier to learn and remember than 4 or 5 different rules for cancellation. Like, what do you do if you draw a line through this and this? I see the numerator just disappearing, I see the fraction line disappearing, and I see something very much like this. Pretty consistently in that case, okay? So, that's kind of the way I'm going to ask you to do things for probably most of the duration of this course. Okay? I think it'll avoid a lot of errors and a lot of confusion.